Before beginning any accessory installation, read the instructions thoroughly and ensure the bike is parked on a flat level surface with the key removed. Begin by removing the two fasteners securing the rear passenger handles on each side of the bike. Remove the handles and set aside. Then remove the two seat fasteners behind the handles on each side of the motorcycle frame. Pull the seat back and lift up to remove from the motorcycle. Next, loosen the 4 bezel fasteners from the tank bezel. Set the tank bezel aside on a soft surface. Use care to avoid misplacing the compression limiters. Then, pivot the center console and pull forward to remove from the tank cover. Next, remove the 2 tank cover fasteners from the rear of the tank covers. Move to the tank covers and pull outward at the bottom of the cover to disengage the rubber grommets. Then lift the cover up from the alignment tabs on top and remove from the vehicle. Next, flip the new covers over and clean the ends of the covers with isopropyl alcohol. Then, peel the backing from the foam bumpers and apply 1 to each tank cover. Refer to the online or written instructions for general placement guidelines. Next, move to the mounting grommets in the frame and spray with a solution of soap and water to aid in installation. Continue by placing each tank cover on the alignment bracket tabs and pivoting down to engage the 2 frame grommets. Next, reinstall the 2 rear tank cover fasteners and torque to specification. Then attach the included hook and loop fastener pads at the 4 locations below the alignment tabs. Continue by reinstalling the center console trim into the bottom bracket and pivoting down to engage the 4 hook and loop pads. Next, reinstall the tank bezel with the 4 retained fasteners and compression limiters and torque to specification. Then, move to the seat and locate the 2 tabs on the underside of the seat. They will slide beneath the seat support bracket. Slide the seat into the seat support bracket and into the front mounting bracket. Secure the rear of the seat with the 2 retained seat fasteners and torque to specification. Finish by reinstalling each passenger handle with the 2 retained handle fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. Begin by removing the 2 fasteners securing the rear passenger handles on each side of the bike. Remove the handles and set aside. Next, install 4 clip nuts onto the seat cowl mounts. Then align the cowl brackets with the clip nuts and secure with the included fasteners. The pointed ends of the bracket should face toward the front of the bike. Once installed, torque the bracket fasteners to specification. Next, apply 2 pieces of foam on the inside of the seat cowl. Ensure the foam pieces are centered horizontally and equally spaced vertically. Continue by placing the seat cowl assembly over the rear portion of the seat. Pass the handle fasteners through the passenger handles and seat cowl brackets. Before torquing, adjust the seat cowl height to ensure even spacing along the subframe and rear taillight. Finish by torquing the handle fasteners to specification. Begin by removing the 2 fasteners from each side of the front mudguard and remove the mudguard. Next, place the new guard over the front tire and align the mounting holes. Then, loosely install all 4 mudguard fasteners and washers. Finish by torquing the fasteners to specification. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.